Alright, here we go. We're gonna go out in Wales. Mighty.
Now, right over there, they're thinking they can get through, but they are gonna get muddy.
No, you're not helping it.
No, I'm not. No, it's fun to watch.
At the moment.
Oh!
So we are here down at the waterfall.
We're going into the waterfall. Well, I'm under the waterfall and I'm completely dry.
The waterfall was very good and very big. That is the thing about waterfalls, they can be big at times.
Nous sommes allés au waterfall.
And here we are at the next waterfall. Big drop. One more waterfall. Almost.
We're going into them there woods.
Going off trail.
Was there a snake in your boot?
Into the woods.
This is definitely a forest. It's more like a swamp.
Now this is the kind of swamp grass that is like as tall as your waist, but you cannot walk through it. You can't even run through it. You have kind of hobbles. We just forded the river.
Take that, river!
We just went from that side to that side, and that is a very deep pool.
So we are out in the woods and it's getting dark and we think we know the way back.
Die.
We're about to die.
Not good.
We're still smiling though.
Yeah. Because this is our last moment, Sky.
That's the end of our journey. Like 3 hours later. And we finally found the way back. Oh man, we were way the heck out in the middle of nowhere though. But we made it. It's good.
Alive!
Tired. Ready to go to the pub.